Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Sadia. I'm back with another quarantine tutorial. Now, I have told myself that I was going to try and play with my natural hair, as far as doing the little natural afros, twist out. Y'all, it didn't work for me. I am the type of natural where I like to wear my hair straight. So I decided, since we're still on this quarantine, I'm just gonna blow out my hair. So I kind of want to show you all the process. What I'm going to use today is a system that I normally always use. It's called Beautiful Textures. Now this product, it allows me to have like blowouts, and the humidity doesn't mess up my hair, as well as it doesn't damage my natural curl. So I'm able to still get like the nappy hair, as you very well know. Let me take this off so you can see. But look, y'all don't judge. Listen, I tried to put some ponytails in the front. It didn't work. I tried to do some band. I thought I could start with some bantu knots. And it's just, y'all, this just didn't work for me. At first I was like, okay, I'm gonna do some bantu knots. And then once I parted just this front part, I was just like, it's over. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So, and then I just figure I'll just keep a fro back there. But anyway, so I'm gonna just do a quick video and I'm gonna show you how this system works. If you are wondering, will this mess up your natural curl? Now mind you, the front of my hair is straight because I had it in these bantu knots. But look at my hair, it's still kinky, it's still nappy. So this system does not damage your natural curls. You can go back kinky. But say for instance, I go outside, my blowouts last for like weeks. Y'all will see, because I'm gonna be doing videos, and plus I felt like I wanted to get like real fancy. You know what I'm saying? I want to do my makeup, but I want to feel real fancy. And so again, I am just going to do this system. I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoy. I think this is a good product for little girls. If you have a little girl and maybe her hair is like hard to deal with, whether you want to give her a blowout or whether you want to loosen her curl a little bit so it'll be more manageable, this is a good system. It is a good system. I've been using it for years. So let's get right to it. All right. So what you're gonna see me do next is I gotta wet my hair a little bit, because this system is like two parts. You have to wash your hair to wash all the oils out, and then you go ahead and you let this conditioner sit on for like maybe 20 minutes. So, and I'll kind of go through the process of this. And then after you let that like conditioner sit on for like 20 minutes, then you blow dry the hair, and then you flat iron it, and bam, there you go with a good blowout. Now I will say that I'm a little cautious on how this blowout's gonna look, because I did take some scissors and I cut the front of my hair, y'all. When this is all over, I promise, look, I almost crossed my fingers. I don't mean that. I promise I'm going to the hairdresser, and I'm gonna let her just have her way. So let's get to it. Okay, Diamonds, I'm back. This is after I have washed my hair. Again, I parted it in 4 sections. The system is so easy. You just wash, apply, blow dry it, and then you flat iron, and you are good to go with a good blowout for the next 4 to 6 weeks. So I just want to say that, yeah, I cut a lot of my blonde hair off prior to this video, so my hair is a little uneven, and I've noticed since I've been playing with my natural hair that, you know, my left side of my hair, the curls are more tight. Some of the blonde, as you can see, I've been using this system for years, literally for years, and my hair is still very, very kinky. Now my curls, as far as with the blonde hair, those curls are more relaxed, because personally I damaged my hair when I bleached it. I did it. Let me say this, I am not a hairdresser. I don't want to be. I'm just letting you all kind of get a peek into the craziness of my life. So the next, what I'm going to do, my hair is still damp. for this second part, and make sure you have like a wide tooth comb, okay? For this second part, you need to apply this. It's like a leave-in conditioner, and you have to leave it in for like 20 minutes. Now, the mistake that I made using this leave-in conditioner when I used this years ago was I put too much. I oversaturated my hair, and my hair, it was just, I was saying I put too much product on, and it just left my hair very dry. And it was more so, it had like, you could feel the product on my hair. That's what I would say. So if you have thick hair like I have, I would suggest, again, washing your hair in the sections, as well as, I got a hair right in my eye, as well as applying this leave-in conditioner in sections of your sections, okay? I'm gonna do this very loosely. This is very liquidy, so you have to be careful. Boom. So I just rub that in on my hair, and I'm going to do that for each part. Now I'm going to speed this up, but just know that I'm doing the same thing for each section, making sure that I rub this in really good, and I just comb a little bit. All right, this is the finished product. I could tell my hair didn't grow out a little bit. Got a little hang time there. Got a little bit of hang time. This probably took me about a couple hours, but I think it's worth it. And once I get back to the hairdresser, you know, I'll be able to get my ends clipped. Because I really did on some parts of my hair, it's jacked. And I will probably, when it's all over with, go and get my patch up here colored again. This time I'm thinking about, so I won't damage my hair, going to the hairdresser and just letting her color, because clearly I don't know what I'm doing. So I hope you all like this. Again, this is a beautiful texture straightening technique. I've been using it for years, and this blowout, it'll last me for weeks. It'll just last me for weeks. And when it's time for me to wash my hair in like a couple weeks, they also have like the little 2-part system where you can wash and condition your hair, but you don't have to wait as long. And it just works. I got this from Walgreens and it costs less than $10. So let me know what you think. I feel like I'm ready to do like a look and just like a cute makeup look and feel really like, yeah. Like, I love my hair natural, but I like it straight natural. So, because again, to me, when I wrap my hair up tonight, I know what I'm gonna look like tomorrow. And that's what I love about being a straight natural, because it's predictable. Twist outs with me, ooh, I suck. So, thank you again for your support for my channel. If you have not already, please subscribe. That would help me a great deal, and it'll help me even more if you like. And that doesn't cost a thing. So I'm out of here. I'm about to do some makeup and do some cute looks just to go upstairs, but I definitely feel like I got my groove. So I'm out. See you later.